In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload videos on YouTube. Let's start right at the beginning. First, open your browser and go to YouTube, then make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account. Once you're signed in, head over to your YouTube channel dashboard. The easiest way to do this is to click your profile picture in the top right corner and then select YouTube Studio. This will open the main dashboard where you manage all your content. From your dashboard, look at the top right corner of the screen and find the Create button. Click on Create, and in the small menu that appears, choose Upload Video. This opens the Upload window, which is where you'll handle everything for your new video. In the Upload window, click on Select Files. Your computer's file browser will pop up. Navigate to the video file you want to upload, click on it, and then hit Open. You'll see YouTube start uploading and processing your video in the background while you set everything else up. Next, click into the title field and type a clear, descriptive title for your video. This is what viewers will see first, so make it accurate and easy to understand. Underneath, click into the description field and add a description. Here you can explain what the video is about, add important links, and give viewers any extra details they might need. Below that, you'll see the thumbnail section. Click on the button to upload a thumbnail file and select an image from your device. A custom thumbnail can really help your video stand out and get more clicks. If your channel isn't verified yet, you might see an option asking you to verify your account. Click on Verify. YouTube will ask for a phone number so they can send you a verification code. Type your number into the field, click and Next, then wait for the code. When you receive it, enter the code to complete verification. This step unlocks some extra features, like longer uploads. Now, you'll need to choose whether your video is made for kids or not. Select the option that best matches your content to comply with YouTube's policies. Click on Show More to reveal additional options. Find the Tags field and type in relevant tags that describe your video's topic. Tags help YouTube understand what your video is about and can slightly improve discoverability. When you're done with these details, click Next. You'll go through a couple of screens, and in this guide, we're just going to keep clicking Next until you reach the final visibility screen. On the Save or Publish screen, choose Public if you want your video to be visible to everyone right away. Finally, go to the bottom right corner and click the Publish button. Your video is now uploaded and live on YouTube.